Here's the deal. Most people out there chase the obvious moves, buy low, sell high, and wonder why their portfolios barely move the needle. They get hammered by markets that don't play by their rules, sweating through wild swings, markets that punish greed and fear like a ruthless overseer. You know that gut punch feeling when you see your investments tank and you can't do a damn thing? That frustration is real, and it kills more dreams in investing than anything else. Nobody told you that embracing volatility, the wild monster most try to avoid, is actually your secret weapon, the unruly force that, if tamed, will tear your returns sky high while others watch in confusion. Instead, they settle for mediocre returns, stuck in slow, painlessly dull growth, or worse, straight losses. Here's what most founders and investors miss. Volatility trading isn't just about riding the chaos or praying for luck. It's a mindset, a set of sharp tools and brutal discipline that turn uncertainty into profits nobody else dares to chase. You have to confront the noise, not run from it. That's where the real edge comes in. Wall Street loves selling you stability, safe bets, long holds, but that's a lie, especially now when markets swing like a pendulum on steroids. The biggest gains come when you use volatility as your playground, your battlefield, your leverage. Not in some vague, maybe it helps way, but with laser focus on how it shifts pricing, how it creates opportunities invisible to the scared masses holding tight to their vanilla portfolios. Step 1. Stop treating volatility like the enemy. Stop trading based on fear of what could go wrong. Instead, dig deep into how volatility measures market sentiment. Who's scared, who's greedy, where the real risks hide. Learn to read IV, implied volatility, curves like a code, a heartbeat of the market's nervous system. When IV spikes, that's the generator of potential profits. Buy options when IV is low, but sell when IV gets wild. It's counterintuitive if you're used to simple buy and hold, but it's the difference between watching the market bite you or making it pay you. Step 2. Build agility into your portfolio. Traditional portfolios choke on volatility, they break or freeze, but volatility traders lean into movement, position themselves to benefit when markets tear up the old playbook. Use strategies like straddles and strangles and combine them with hedges that don't just protect but double down on asymmetry. If you want to crush the market, you leverage volatility to create optionality, a world where no matter which way things swing, you can come out ahead. It's about mastering pain points others fear, turning market fear into your winning formula. Step 3. Ditch the ego and the I'm right mindset. Volatility trading will punish arrogance fast. You have to accept losses as tuition. You have to iterate quick, adapt faster, and harness every mistake into fuel for the next move. Most pros hate to admit they're wrong and freeze or double down on bad positions. You're the one who stays fluid, who respects what the market tells you minute by minute, and who jumps on setups others miss because they're stuck trying to predict the unpredictable. This stuff isn't some magic pill or hype. It's a brutally honest way to grab alpha from chaos, to create a portfolio that's alive, breathing, and fighting, to build real defenses and lethal offense at once. And here's the hard truth. If you ignore volatility trading, you're leaving your portfolio on the battlefield without armor or strategy. You're handing the gains to others who dare to play with the storm. So stop hoping for smooth sailing. The storms are here. Understand this. Volatility is not noise. It's the language of the market's deepest moves. If you learn it, you're no longer a passenger. You're the driver. You're the one who makes irrational markets work for you, not against you. Right now, start thinking about how to inject those volatility strategies into your game plan. Not tomorrow, not next quarter. Today, because every minute you wait, you bleed returns. Step into the chaos, own it, use it, and watch as the unsung hero of portfolio gains quietly demolishes every boring, safe play out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.